How to return item on AliExpress after the delivery. Now the product have been delivered to you from the AliExpress, but because of some reasons you want to return it. In that case, you just simply need to go into the website or the application of AliExpress, and then if the product that you got has the return policy in it, then you can return the product. Otherwise you cannot. Now in the case if you have the product with the return policy, then you need to go to the account section and scroll down, and you will see the option of help center. Tap to help center button, and after tapping in there you will see the option of return goods. Tap to return goods, and if you have ordered anything and that have been delivered to you from here, you will see the products from this page. You just simply need to select the product which you would like to return to the seller and get a refund from it, and based on the guidelines you will get the percentage of your amount returned from there if the product is refundable or returnable. Otherwise you will not be able to do that, but if that is available you can return the product from here after giving a valid reason for why are you returning the product. I hope this video have been informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.